Dinner time with this female centipede here in Africa. On the menu, fresh grasshopper. When this centipede goes out to eat, she doesn't hire a babysitter. Nope, she packs her young securely in the tender trap of her own back legs. Warmth, security, togetherness. Centipede family values. When it's time to put the kids to bed, all she does is lift up her rear end and march home. Out in the African night on her own, she draws the attention of a predator. This small black-headed snake, whose diet is comprised mainly of centipedes. The snake attacks. The centipede mom bites back in defense, but the snake holds on with hungry determination. The snake's venom works, and the centipede is a goner. Now the snake has the same problem as a dog that chases after a school bus. What does it do when it catches it? The centipede's body is almost twice as wide as the snake. Not that this stops the snake. Starting with the head, the snake swallows the centipede whole, gulping down every last leg. At least the babies weren't along for the ride this time.